At the entrance of Artisu, the porter's cottage, there is a 4.5 high meter stair spring in the colors of the rainbow. It all started with a little old everyday spring on a ship. One day the ship's engineer took it home to show it to his family. His son surprised everyone by letting the spring walk down the stairs completely by itself, and the Slinky was born. In 1945 it first appeared on the market as a toy and became extremely popular as a gift during the Christmas season. So many Slinkies have been sold that together they could circle the world 150 times. Lucy McDonald studied film and television science and Stephen is specialized in 3D design. Initially they experimented with blown-up metal, while their focus has now shifted to the medium of light. Under the name Studio Vertigo, they design objects that turn your world upside down. The proportions are reversed, as if you have shrunk and ended up in the wonderland of Alice. The porter's cottage becomes a step, the street and the buildings around it is a playground. This huge Slinky breaks your daily routine and lets you view the city with different eyes.